Hey Internet, welcome to Solid Mechanics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the outer diameter for the spacer that ensures the most cost-effective and safe design. The average normal stress for the bolt is 31 ksi and 19 ksi for the spacer respectively. The bolt is a 1/4 inch in diameter. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. The blue is the bolt and nut respectively. The orange is the two plates. And the green is the brass spacer. Step 2, list all the given values and the unknown. So we've got both the normal stress respectively, 31 ksi and 19 ksi. We want to find the outer diameter of the spacer. KSI is kilopounds per square inch, where 1 KSI is 1,000 pounds per square inch. Step 3, find the formula for the outer diameter. So each bolt will be pulling the upper plate downwards using a tensile force, and the spacer will be pushing the plate upwards with a compressive force to maintain equilibrium. We need to set the forces equal to each other, so the force of the bolt is equal to force of the spacer. So we're gonna have the equation sigma is equal to force divided by area, and then we're going to expand that out to get the diameter. So since it is a bolt, it is going to be round, so we're going to use area of a circle. Alright, so that's pi times diameter squared divided by 4 for the bolt. Then we're going to make the force the subject. So we're going to rearrange to make P bolt the subject. So it will be the area multiplied by the normal stress. And we're going to do the same for the spacer. So we start off with the basic formula. Sigma is equal to P over A, or normal stress is equal to force over area. And then we expand the area out to find the diameter. So in this case, it will be spacer minus the bolt diameter. Once again, we rearrange to get the force of the spacer. Step 4, equate the equations together. So P bolt is equal to P spacer, or force of the bolt is equal to force of the spacer. Step 5, simplify, cancel, and rearrange to make the diameter of the spacer the subject. So we get rid of the pi and divide by 4. Okay, and then we bring things on each side. So on the first line, we will have diameter of the spacer squared is equal to diameter of the bolt squared plus the stress of the bolt divided by stress of the spacer multiplied by diameter of the bolt squared. So we can simplify that even more and make it 1 plus the stress ratio, and then we separate the diameter of the bolt squared on the outside because it's a common factor. Step 6, we can now find the outer diameter of the spacer. So we're just going to plug and play. So we got a 1/4 inch diameter of the bolt, and then we multiply that with 1 plus 31 divided by 9 KSI. The KSI will cancel. And then once we have an answer, we need to square root both sides in order to get the diameter of the spacer. See, as you can see, we have it squared on both sides, so we do need to square root it. Alright, so the diameter of the spacer is 0.4056 inches, and that's the outer diameter. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the app, and then click on video option, click on new. Then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.